In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ichimoku Lagging Background Color in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open for any market you want to analyze. This can be a forex pair, a stock, crypto, or an index. It doesn't matter. What does matter is that you're using the TradingView Pro version, because the Ichimoku Lagging Background Color feature is typically available through pro-level tools and custom scripts, not in the very basic free setup. Once your chart is open and you're comfortable with the time frame you want to work on, go to the top of the screen and look for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the top toolbar, just above the price chart area. Click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. This is where you can search for any built-in indicator, community script, or custom tool available in TradingView. After the Indicators window pops up, move your cursor to the search box at the top of that panel. Click on the search box so it becomes active and you can type into it. This search field lets you quickly find specific tools without scrolling through long lists, which is especially helpful when you're looking for something a bit more specialized. Now, in that search box, type the phrase Ichimoku Lagging Background Color. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results to show indicators and community scripts that match those words. What you're looking for is an indicator or script that adds a background color based on the Ichimoku lagging span, also known as Chiku span. That background color is often used to visually highlight bullish or bearish zones, or to show when price and the lagging line are in agreement or conflict, making it easier to read the market at a glance. When you see an indicator that clearly mentions Ichimoku lagging background color in its name or description, hover over it and click once to add it to your chart. After a second, you should notice the background of your chart changing color depending on the conditions set inside that script. If you want to customize it further, you can open the indicator's settings by hovering over its name in the chart's indicator list and clicking on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, opacity, and sometimes even the calculation rules, depending on how the script was built. Finally, if you're not yet on TradingView Pro or you want to upgrade your current plan, check the description of this video for my affiliate link to TradingView Pro. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you get access to the full range of indicators, extra chart layouts, and the advanced tools you'll need to get the best experience with Ichimoku, lagging background colors, and other professional features.